The technology transfer vision of the Cape Peninsula University of Technology is to create a process whereby ordinary South Africans benefit from the transfer of technology. We believe that by focusing on socio-economic benefit, we can bring positive value to the country. We measure the socio-economic benefit in terms of the number of businesses created, job creation, contribution to the economy, improvement in living standards, and transformation of industry sectors. The value we derive is that our research quality improves, we generate more industry linkages, we receive more industry funding, research infrastructure at the university is improved, and finally, the brand of the university is elevated. The university mandate is teaching and research. This is in contrast to private companies. CPUT have thus registered a wholly owned company, Aonyx Holdings, which is mandated to create spin-off companies to commercialize the university's technology. In this model, the intellectual property is retained by the university and simply licensed to the spin-off companies. Retaining ownership of the IP is important as it ensures that the IP provides value to the people of RSA in the long term. The Bambara Groundnut, or round bean, is widespread in Africa. It has potential as a cash crop, owing to its nutritional composition, functional properties, and antioxidant potential. Consequently, we at CPUT have used the Bambara Groundnut as a raw material to create several value-added products. These include dairy substitutes, baked goods, meat substitutes, and beverages. These products are gluten, lactose, and cholesterol-free. Aonyx Holdings is looking to create a manufacturing business, vertically integrating with other sectors in the country. The company will focus on secondary processing. The consumer product manufacture part of the value chain is largely driven by marketing expenditure. Brand is important and drives retail sales. Our preference is to leverage of the brand off existing companies. This will allow for faster scale-up of the Bambara sector. However, this does not prevent us from creating our own consumer product manufacture business and brand. To de-risk the business and to enhance the scalability, we are facilitating the development of the Bambara business sector from farmer to export. The vision is that Aonyx Holdings, in partnership with the Technology Innovation Agency, will generate investment guarantees with specific target goals. The funding will be unlocked as targets are reached and invested into the different parts of the value chain. The project will be divided into phases. Phase 1 is directed at creating a pilot plant. Here, the raw nut will be processed and converted into marketing samples. The objective is to ensure quality of product and to generate offtake agreements. The maximum timeline for this is 12 months. If successful, this will unlock Phase 2. Phase 2 is directed at creating a commercial-scale secondary processing plant. Investment in farmers would occur at this time to ensure constant supply of raw material. During this phase, CPUT will also initiate work on the development of a commercial Bambara variety. This will allow us to move away from open-pollinated varieties and strengthen our IP position. Phase 3 and 4 are self-explanatory and will likely drive themselves based on the success of the initiative. Aonyx Holdings and CPUT welcome you to be a part of this exciting new sector development initiative. We look forward to hearing from you.